Hi everyone, welcome to On the Other Hand. I'm Ariane Zurcher and we are on lesson 4, the final shape of our first panel, that's shape C. So grab your panel 1 and let's stitch our last shape together. All right, for this circle, I'm taking a 7/8 of an inch circle. This is actually a scrap. It's not the same color, but it looks pretty close. So I'm going to fold this in half and I'm going to cut a smaller circle out so that I have a donut shape. It's a little off center and that's fine. I'm going to put it in this upper left corner. So it's going to be off center. It's going to be up here. I'm going to whip stitch this down on both sides. I'm going to eyeball the center here and I'm just going to mark it. And the idea is to do a tête de boeuf. Okay, so I'm using my silk and pearl pond scum and I'm going to do my tête de boeuf. I think I have to do it from the outside going in. So each tête de boeuf is going to start on the outside and it's going to go, his head is going to go into the circle. So his horns are going to be on the outside and his head will go in. So I'm just going to try to make these horns sort of even, but already they're not. It's okay. It's going to get very crowded in here for his head. All right, so I'm just going to work my way around this circle. All right, so that's that. I'm using my silk and pearl in the burgundy with my number 3 milliners. I'm going to do a series of bullion knots coming out of the V here. I think a 10 wrap will be good. I want to do a trellis stitch going around. So I'm using my shepherd silk Mermaid Dances, a number 18 chenille. And remember, the trellis is like the open buttonhole filler. You have to start with a base of a back stitch. So I'm going to do my back stitch going around. All right, so I'm doing a couple of random French and colonial knots using my camouflage silk and pearl. All All right, I'm doing a 3-spoke woven picot. It's going to be very skinny, and it's with my Silk and Pearl Irish Blues. And I'm just going to go ahead and pull this pretty tight at the top here. This is the end of lesson 4 for our shape C. You're going to go ahead and repeat that 3-spoke picot 2 more times using the threads as indicated in your instruction booklet. The next lesson, lesson 5, we will begin our second panel, shape D. I look forward to seeing all of you then. Don't forget to hit that like button. Even though this is an unlisted video, it helps me in my ratings on YouTube, and click on the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. If you want to leave me comments, I always love hearing from you. Tell me how you're doing, where you are in the process. Until next time, let's keep stitching together.